co-host. So what you do is you help me admit. Meanwhile, let me see. I hope my network is not slow. Co-host. I hope I'm not breaking my sound is okay. I'm okay. Thank you. Okay, are we ready? We're ready on the chat. So sound is good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So where do I start with you today? So I got guests on the call, so I won't just slide into analysis, which I'm going to do in the next couple of maybe 5 minutes. I want to start the analysis. How many of you give me analysis that I'm going to look at? Put you on the chat. You have your analysis ready for me on the member accountability group. Let me know in the chat. Okay. So I believe two beautiful analyses already kicked off for the week. Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys what has happened over the course of the last 6 days within the market. Because one of the beautiful things that happens to you as a trader is your ability to set the market, let it come to your it's like sailing in the ocean. All right. When you get to the shore, you wait for your boat. If it comes to you, you take it, you sail. If it doesn't come to you, you leave it. You know, one of the beautiful things in the market is when you wait and your boat comes on time and you take it. The biggest in the market is risk management, you know, which I'm going to really be dealing with over the course of the most important thing I'm going to be dealing with. Two most important things I'm going to be dealing with in the skill, all right, is risk management. Then every other thing is the mindset of making money. Risk management is your best skill of trading, not the chart, not how to buy, how to sell, you know, the strategy of buying. No, it's the best strategies in the market are your risk management. And okay, beautiful. So why only symbol? Okay, you have GA. Okay, I've done the analysis on GA. So all right. So how does our sessions look like? On Mondays, we have, let me just give you guys a brief overview of what our sessions look like and what they are for. On Monday morning is how many of you were in our mindset session this morning? All right. Put M on the chat. You enjoyed our session this morning, was revealing. Put M on the chat. So that's what we do on Mondays. Okay. We set the cost for the week. All right. So that you can make money the right way. Then the function of the mind is the function of the hand. So we set the function of the mind, all right. Then normally what we do after the mindset session on Monday, we trade binary. So that's our first trading session in the morning is binary options. Okay, that is with me. That's what I did in the morning. That's what I was supposed to do, but because you guys got involved, I had to reset everything. Then on 9 o'clock, we do market mastery. On Mondays morning, we analyze the market, different currency pairs from different students. Okay, they bring their accountable pair, the pair you're trading, you bring it, you submit it, and I'm going to look at all of the pairs you guys submitted, and I'm going to tell you the pairs we're going to be trading over the course of the week. So we already know what we're going to trade. So it makes it easier for us to know. So I'm not even the ones. One of the beautiful things that does for us as a community is By the time we know all the currencies I'm going to analyze right now, there are experts in those currencies. So every member of Pure Nation have a currency. So when you come here, I'll tell you what currency do you want to master. So you are kind of like the priest of that currency. So when that current, you're watching it. So you're watching now with my eyes, not just your eyes, because we have both looked at it together and I tell you this is what we should be expecting. Even if I'm not there, you're going to make money in the trade because why? All you just need to do is wait. Okay, so when you're there, good thing we do is we alert ourselves within the group. All right. So it's more than a signal group. It's an accountability forum. So GJ is where Cambridge said it is right now. I give you all of the details for you guys to take the trade. Okay. And sometimes when I'm in the market, I'll tell you I'm in. The moment I'm in, how many of you took the trade after I said I'm in today? That is when you took the trade. All right. Many people look for that validation. Okay, I've came re-enter. So when I say I'm in, boom, everybody gets in. Whether it's going back or front, people are in. Okay, because I said I'm in. So sometimes I do that. But the beautiful thing is, for those of you your confidence is there. By the time the trade is ready, they've already told you that it is ready. So you guys can take the trade because there is an accountability. So you don't get to miss out on opportunities. And if you have questions, you're not clear about anything, you can actually ask, okay? And you're going to get answers from different students like you. That's one of the beautiful things. So that's what we do on Mondays. We set the cost of the trade, different analysis. All right. And on Tuesday, 2 p.m., I trade live, okay, with everybody. Just looked at what we did on Monday, look at how it's going to, what is preparing. One of the beautiful days for my trading, that there is volume in the market, is Mondays afternoons to Friday. Mondays to Friday. But Wednesday, Thursday is the best volume day in the market. That's when the biggest moves happen. Either or cross weeks, it happens on Monday night. If you guys look at the market, which I'm going to show you right now, the market has moved some of the baddest move. It has moved it last night. That's early morning. Okay. So Tuesday is live analysis with the team. Then on Tuesday, there's binary option. There's binary option with wealth. Wednesday, there's binary option. Thursday, there's binary option. We also have Coach Emmanuel on Wednesdays and Friday. Then Monday, is it Monday night? Okay, we have about 15 sessions over the course of the week. There's going to reduce right now. I think corporate said, okay, you know what? So no, let me leave it for, I won't do the announcement. Okay. I'm thinking. I won't do the announcement right now. You guys are going to hear very soon. Okay. Update. New update. It almost fell out of my mouth, but I don't want to be flogged. Okay, after all this stress, I don't want to be flogged. I just want to, hey, you were not supposed to do that. I don't want to cross the lane. Okay. So let me just do what I came. Let me fulfill my ministry here right now. Let me not cross lane. Okay. Okay. So that's about what we do every day. So let's get into the market. Let me show you guys. So all right. So USD JPY, it hit the concept. Let me see how many pips it did. Did it hit 1-to-1? Okay. The stop loss for this, the fourth side is the stop loss is a bad one. The stop loss was supposed to be around here, but I know none of you would have used it. Okay, so let me see how this closed in the red. The red actually closed here. Come on, this was beautiful. 30 pips done. All right, so I believe that everyone who's on this trade right now would have left for TP1. Okay, because the moment it hit the concept, all right, it closed the red candle. That's the entry. And it actually moved 30 pips. And 30 pips is your measure of first TP. Always do that. Very, 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 very important for you guys that are beginners. Try to take your TPs out, okay, first. So this trade has moved. If it doesn't break this line right now and continue going down, okay, the good thing, another thing that will happen in this trade is it may break above, all right, to come to this flop for ourselves. So we're going to be experiencing something around here. I'm just analyzing what's going to happen because you guys see there's a floor here. Okay, so we're going to be seeing something like this as a break and a retest. This is actually 2.0. This is the biggest floor around here. Okay, market dropped crazily because of the influence of news on Friday, and you can see USD is very swift in coming back, and in coming back right now it hit a concept. It ought to be going down in a continuation, but if it doesn't go in a continuation, it may actually do what we call, I hope I'm not being too fast. I feel so. I feel I'm not being too fast, right? So if this is a peak right now, in 1 hour peak, what I'm gonna be looking at is, let's see. All right. So if the market decides to return from here, all right, you guys want to watch out for this high. That's gonna be the next bullish area. I'm just doing analysis. I've not established what we're gonna really look at, but I'm just showing you guys the different options that may happen. If this start going down, this is where we're gonna start buying. It ought to keep going down right now. But if it doesn't go down, okay, what's going to happen is it's going to break up above and retest. Then it's a continuation on the upside. That's what we're going to be seeing. That's because of this news. This move, okay, it may fill it up before it will start. That's USD for you. It may fill it up before it will start moving. Okay, so this is what many of you didn't know this, okay, but I've been telling you that JPY is going to drop. For the last couple of weeks, I've been telling you that JPY is going to gain strength because of the index, okay? I told you the index went to an uncertain area, okay? And if you look at the index right now, it has regained. The last time I showed you guys JPY index was here. And I told you it was going to buy. Okay, and if it was going to buy, what's going to happen? All JPY pairs was going to drop crazily. Let's just assume, or let's just imagine right now that we just all decided to, okay, Cambry, this was solid. Let's just pitch on JPY and just say JPY for 2 weeks. You guys want to see how many pips? Since I said that, you want to see how many pips JPY has done? Crazy. For the last 3 weeks, what JPY has done is crazy. So the time I said that was when it was on the monthly high. So let's look. Oh my goodness. Oh Jesus Christ. So I said that when the market was here. How many pips has the market done? I said if it hits this high again, okay, if it closes a weekly, what's going to happen to the market? It was going to drop like it knows no bound. How many pips has it? It dropped 790 pips. So let's say we even took the next high. We took it out here. It would be around 500 pips. Just imagine you put a standard lot size. Just imagine you put a standard 2 lot size on 500 pips. How much is that? Type it on the chart. Okay. And the big side to this is a very man, this was really called for. This is a weekly snap. Gosh, this market is still coming down. It's still coming down, all right? Like very down. This market is coming very down, very, very down. Okay. Over the next couple of weeks, months. Okay, so let's learn a bit of things. All right. Over the next couple of it's coming very, very down. I see a very pull. So it's gonna break this level. Okay, the market is pulling. The normal move of this market is it ought to come back to this liquidity. Okay, and if that happens, this is what you guys are going to be seeing. You know, when I pitch I don't normally pitch, just like I told you guys this market was going to start selling from here. Okay, you guys didn't pay attention, but I do have some people send me messages They pay attention to this analysis I do. So that's why I'm doing them. Okay, if you look at the formation of the market right now, this is really where tough liquidity is. Market spiral left. And since market left, it hasn't been there. Okay. So what's going to happen over time, over the course of the months, all right, we're going to see market pull. So this is what I'm looking at, all right. So if we're going to have beautiful move right now, it's going to come back to this liquidity. Market is pulling down on JPY. If it can sustain this hold, anything makes it breaks over 50% of this right now, market is coming down here. That's when we're going to see our bully rally. Okay. So this gives me confidence that I could stay on sell positions, okay, over the next couple of, I should be watching out for more sell position over the next couple of weeks, because this is coming down on a bigger scale. This is on a bigger scale right now. So this is it. You see it right now. It's clearer on the monthly. It has completed a move. All right. B, C. All right. We're looking for the next move. Rally down. D on the monthly. So when we look at the month over the next couple of weeks, you're going to be seeing what? Because this is the high monthly close. It just started the monthly rally. So what direction are you giving USD JPY, right? USD JPY. Okay. Your direction should be where the wave of the sell is going to. Monthly just started selling. Just like when monthly started buying over the next couple of months, it bought. Okay. Did 50% continued. Right about now, it has hit a high. Okay. It just have to, if the only thing that is taking this market back up right now is that it hits this previous high. And that was because of the news. And if that news dwells down over between now, this week, and next week, you're going to see the candle. You see the full formation of the candle. So this gives you where the market is going, and it helps you understand the direction you should follow the market. So what I'm going to be looking at for is the opportunities to follow this market down here so that I can buy from here. Does that make sense? Put sense on the chart. So this gives me the bigger projection for me to see the smaller runs. Okay. So come back to daily right now. So if I'm seeing this right now is, let me find the neck of the market. So I'm on a daily right now. This is the lowest low. This is the lowest low. So market has to straighten out. It has to straighten out. And I don't want to use weekly concept. It does, because of that news, would really get, I told you would really get a concept when news, pulls out like that. So this is what I do. We'll find the monthly feed level. This is the high. Okay. The next. So I'm going to use a trend feed and price action method for this market at this moment. So this is 50% of the move. This candle still have to come down. This candle still have to come down here before we start seeing. So this candle coming down. But where is it going to sell from? I want to look at the next sell option. It's already close to the next sell option. Let's see. Okay. So So when the market started coming down, the first floor it created was here. This was the first floor. A market broke that floor, retested that floor. It almost did it like just once, okay, and came down, created this floor. And you know, one thing I told you guys, the market goes, it comes down the same way it has gone up, right? I know we're presently in a concept that is coming down, but I still see some things that are not yet completed in the move. So there was a new splash. This was a strong area. This area is a strong area. Market broke that area, retested, come down, created a floor. All right. So presently, right now, market is in that position where on a norm, okay. So this is a floor. Market has broken, retested this. And if it closes this, normally this market ought to be dropping crazily if it could accomplish this close. But this is not the time I want to approach the market because of liquidity sake. Okay, but this, I want to watch what will happen to this candle on a norm. Okay, this is a sell signal. Right about now, USD JPY closing this 4-hour closing. Okay, below this next floor. Market has hit this floor, market has hit this floor. Okay, it came down, market has hit this floor. This is a floor. All right, the market broke it, retested it, came down, created a new floor. That's new price action. And if you look at here right now, that is about what we have here. So if this candle closes in the next 1 hour, if this candle closes below this zone, it's a sell. Okay, it's going to be a sell. It's a continuation of this sell from the concept. So what are going to be other possibilities? I don't like this tip. I don't like this tip. So, but that is what is happening right now. Okay, market is, so if market breaks here, we're going to be looking out for a buy. If it doesn't respond to it, okay, this is what's going to happen. This is the next, okay, I've gotten my clean move on the upside. And if this comes, okay, it's going to come back to this liquidity again. And we're going to have a major drop. Because what I see this thing doing again right now, I'm going to show you guys tomorrow so that I can look at other pairs. It's kind of creating a neck. Market may consolidate over the next couple of days, just break, then it's going to go up to fill up this liquidity here, then start dropping. But either way, I'm not going to ignore the fact that this market wants to drop. If it still wants to continue, this is a big 4-hour candle closing. If that happens over the next 1 hour, if this candle closes as a red, okay, it's a signal for a sell. What is going to be the stop loss? On the norm, if you're taking a 4-hour, the next 4-hour zone is supposed to be the high. But that's too much for USD JPY. You're going to cripple your account. Okay, if you do that. Okay, that's why I don't, sometimes I don't like trades, not because they are not good. I don't like them because the potential is too big. All right. So this is 137 pips. It means even if you want to take the trade here, though it's good risk to reward if you take it here. Okay. But what I would advise you do is if it doesn't go here right now, don't take it more than this high. Okay. So the next trade right now is a 4-hour closing. It's a 4-hour closing. 4-hour close below the zone. Beautiful. Now, another beautiful approach if you want to make it safe. You want to be a lot more safer because this trade is doing what it needs to do right now. So if this present hour closes, you can get in on the trade. Another approach would be get off all of this zone. Allow this market break this area so you have a fresh start. So this is the 4-hour zone. Okay. Here it has created a floor, which means this floor, there's something strong here, the resisting market. So if you want to stay safe, just allow this market breaks it. So it totally submits. All right. Then you'll be having a downpour. That's another. And I would love it because even if I miss this one tonight, if I wake up tomorrow, I'll still be within this zone. Okay. So that is my 2 options. So I've given you, how many options have I given you in USD JPY? 3 options. First is the sell, 4-hour sell. Okay, that is 1. Okay, second is if it disagrees, it's going to buy. Okay, closing here, come back to this outlaw. Then we're going to have a buy tomorrow. That if not, if you consistently want to go down, I don't want to get in right now. I want to make sure I want to be safe. For those of you who are looking for safe trades, you trade. Break this consolidation that's created, because consolidation is a decision in the market. The market is trying to make a decision. Should I go up? Should I come down? So if you don't want to be caught up in that, should I go up? Should I come down? Indecision. Okay. What you just do is allow the market breaks off this, so we have a strong potential here. Okay. Because you're getting in right now, you're going to contend with this floor. It's been contending with it. So why should I just get in here right now when the market has been contending? Unless you want to have faith. I hope I'm not being too fast. Okay. Am I good? Put good on the chart if my tempo is good. Great pace. All right, beautiful. So that is a lot more safer way to get into USDJPY for those of you who want to be safe. But if you have a play account like mine, you just deposit a mini sell here, right? And put your stop loss above. So this is going to be the stop loss area for this market. If we're shorting, entry around here, stop loss is going to be around here. So that's 47 pips, which is a total of 50 pips. And take profit is going to, one is going to be here, but total, if you start dropping right now, it's going to clear out the next major floors. Okay, if I want to leave, let me leave at this ceiling. So that is going to be 1 to 4. So it's total of, that's a total of 192 pips. Okay, if you take this 4 hours. All right, that's next projection, 4-hour projection on USDJPY. Let me see if I can just, there's my play account. Let's see. Where is it? You guys should accept those that are getting in. Some latecomers are getting in. Am I in on Zoom? Oh. I'm trying to see if I can take the trade in one of my play accounts. How many pips did I say that? So stop loss is going to be 146.664. USDJPY. $146.664. Okay, and take profit. Let me, since I'm going to stay on this one, 144.26. You don't have a play account, don't take the trade. Okay, so I took the 4-hour. All right, when tomorrow comes, I'm also going to still take the. Did you guys get that? Wow, you guys are too serious now. You're not accepting those that are in the. Someone just joined this group. Godwin. What's happening? Is that spam? How come I'm seeing Godwin? Is that trying to spam us? Okay. I hope you guys got our analysis on, and the trade is actually moving right now. It seems I'm going to wake up tomorrow and I'll see money. Okay. So that is USDJPY. Are you guys good on USDJPY? Okay. Put 10 on the chat if you're good on USDJPY. So that's a major analysis. So the money side. So some of you are new. You may be considering, oh, this language I don't understand. Let me tell you the language you need to understand here right now. This analysis I just did, if you took care of this analysis, let's say you know how to, okay, and you have, let's say, a $10,000 account, and you made a decision to just play with 1% on this trade, okay, or 0.5%, let me just show you what will happen. Because I just took the trade. And if you're following a mentor, what do? Just take the trade. But take the trade based on how the mentor take the trade. I just took the trade on my play account. I didn't take it on my school fees account or house rent account or a serious account. I play account. So if you don't have a play account, learn. Take it on your demo. So your demo, right about now, your play account is the demo account. So don't take it in your serious account. Are you guys tracking? Put tracking on the chat. So USDJ, follow instructions to become an instructor. Okay. So let's say you have a $10,000 account, because this is really what makes sense to you, and use a 0.5, 0.5. You want to see the money side. You're inspired about the money. How many pips was that trade? I think it's about 47 pips, right? 47 pips. It means I'm going to invest. I'm just going to risk $50 with a 0.5. I'm only risking $50 out of $10,000. Okay. So 1 to 4 is how much? So I'm going to make $200. Okay. By risking. So my lot size is supposed to be 1.6. It means I'm taking the trade. I'm going to use 1.6 and I'm going to risk $50. Okay. So I go to my MetaTrader 4. I select USDJPY. I select the lot size 1.6. I put the stop loss, which is 47 pips. And I said sell. And that is the only thing you have to do. And you can make $200 if you allow the trade play to the take profit. Does that make sense for all of you that are new? I don't know if you can do that. All you guys that are new, you can do what I just said right now by instructions. Put I can. Because that's the only way I can communicate with you tonight. Or else you're going to destroy your brain. And you're not going to sleep well. While I'm sleeping well, you won't be sleeping well. And I wake up making money and you're thinking, why, what just happened to me? So let me know how. Let me not make what you don't understand happen to you. Does that make? I mean, if you're new, let me hold you there. Don't go beyond what I just said right now, or else you're gonna be breaking your mind and you're gonna think, oh no, I can't do this thing. Oh man, I can't do this thing. Only one person. The rest of you, you understand what I did, right? So the first thing is, do you have access to instruction? This is what you just did right now. You got access to instruction. Can you follow the instruction? These are the answers you can you can take. Do you have access to instructions? If you don't, that's what you should do. And the next thing, can you follow instruction when it's given to you? If you can, you can make you can make money when you have access to instruction. That's what we do. Okay, we come and analyze together. We'll tell you when you can enter the market. And I just entered them. I just traded with you. What's the best thing? What's the best way to trade? To trade with someone who knows the market. It's better to lose with me, win with me, than to use your brain that is still young in the market to analyze for yourself and break your bank. Am I correct? Do you agree with me? That's what happens being in an environment like this. We analyze the market and we trade together. I give you different ways we get into the market, but most importantly, I guide you risk-wise. So you don't just come here like a gambler. Some of you are playing by Bet Nigeria. You're playing sporting bet with trading. It's not the same thing. No. This is not Barcelona versus Genoa. Who won? Genoa. What's that? This is not Real Madrid versus Sevilla or Man City versus. Are you guys? Am I still here? My screen has frozen. Barcelona lost. All right. So you're watching match. This is not it. Oh. You're practically following instructions. And if you make a decision that you are the one who's going to follow instruction, this is how you're going to make money. Okay. So tomorrow we're going to still come back to this trade and we're going to look out for this move. This move happens, I'm going to get in on the trade again. If this move happens, I'm going to get in on this trade. So there is no sentiment. I'm not going to be managing any trade. I already give you the risk. If it breaks the risk, I'm going to be looking out for a buy. All right. Does that make sense? So I'm going to leave UJ right now. I'll send this track. So who's our UJ master? Who's in charge of UJ? Am I making trading look so easy? USD JPY price point. The way I'm doing this is making trading look so easy, right? Give it to Sim. Okay, Simbo Gelly. Simbo, you're gonna take care of UJ. Simbo Gile. I'm sorry, I'm playing with your name. Madam Ihema, is she here? Is she on the call? She's not on the call. I need someone to stay on this. This is one of my favorite pairs, so don't allow us to miss it. That's why I took this play one right now. Yeah, I know she's not on the call. That's if she was on the call, I wouldn't have asked you guys. Okay. So you guys watch out for who's gonna watch out for this? Who else? Who's the backup star? Who's our backup star? It's your responsibility. Before I move to another pair. Okay, Simbo, you're not saying anything. Are you running from UJ? Okay, I'm not gonna analyze any other thing if you guys don't. Okay, you guys don't worry. If you guys are not gonna look at it, I'll look at it when I can. You know, I'm very busy this week, so anytime I bring it, you guys take it. What's the next thing I'm gonna look at right now? So, what did you give to me? What did you guys give to me? Wow, these are the result of my analysis. Wow, you crush it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Mr. Alex crushed it again. Okay, had the lesson, then crushed it. This is his analysis. Beautiful. I don't want to read. Okay, GBP Okay, I already gave it to you guys. I love this your analysis. What pair is this? EA, and you crushed it. Did he get here? Simbo, did he get here? It's a very beautiful analysis. He got here, or you just sold from here? It did. Beautiful. That's a beautiful one. That's a beautiful one. And yeah. So this market right now has fulfilled the harmonics. Okay. So what we're going to be looking at, the market is going to be going back. If I look at this analysis with you right now, this is what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing right now is different. Okay. So let's look at EA. You had a very beautiful analysis. Okay. So let's take a journey. Where is the market coming from? Where is it going to? Okay. If you're looking at this right now, what do you see in the market? So this is slightly an uptrend, okay, day wise. We're looking at this now, and up daily, the market is pushing up. So pick the just the market was pushing up and eventually broke. You guys see this? All right. So the market has broken. And if the market has broken, it's something I just see clearly here. It's so clean, so clean. All right, very, very clean. So what are we looking at right now? Again, this is going to push the market at least, okay, to over 50 to about 50%. That's I'm not too greedy. Okay, 50% is going to be around here. So I do know that over the next couple of days, the market is going to come to this next high for it to continue down because it needs to continue down to create the next big low. Okay, which is going to be. So since it has broken this flow, it's going to break. The next thing is going to attack. Excuse me. Ah. So the moment the market breaks a daily neck, okay, it's going to attempt the weekly. So market is going to be coming here over the next couple of weeks. So this helps me know the direction, and you can see a high here. Okay, this helps me know the direction of the next pool. But what's going to take it to this pool? It has to come to at least the point of exhaustion. Okay, it's going to pick either this high or pick this high for it to sell. So it's either going to do 50% or do 75%. Then it's going to have a major rally on the downside. And if that happens, what you're going to be seeing is you're going to see the same shape. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. This is the next. Apparently, may even take this low because sometimes if it needs to go up, it takes a lower. Just like I showed you guys UJ. You know what I've not showed you guys GJ? GJ. I don't know if you saw what I told you guys GJ in our last session. It did it. Okay, so if this is going to go up right now, it's going to take a lower one or probably just take this one. Okay, something around here. Okay, or something around here. Either one, but this is perfect. It's going to be the next big weekly into monthly move. Okay, but right about now, let's focus on. I'm just giving you guys as a project for you to see this is what's going to happen over the next couple of. For this to continue on the upside on the bullish run for the monthly, okay, it has to exhaust totally. And if you look at this right now, I think it's way more than 50%. I think it's way more than 50%. It's way more than 50%. Okay. So if you look at this right now, I promise you guys, this trade may actually dip a little bit to these levels. You see what that's what I actually said, right? Probably. I said it was going to come to this low, and this low is about what, 75%. So this is going to be a major run, okay, on this trade, or it's just going to take care. So but this will not make sense to you right now because you guys are not swing traders. So what are you guys focused on right now? What's going to happen over the next couple of days? So let me take this off your face right now. But just know I said it. If you're watching this recording, just know I said this. So this is going to be the next move. Market is going to come here. Okay, then we're going to see a rally down. Okay, our market is going to come here, which is this next high. Okay, and we're going to see a rally down. That's next move for me. That's next move on Euro AUD. Okay, so if you're looking at this right now, market just started buying. Okay, it has done a double down on this. It has done a more than a 50%. Okay, and it rejected. And this rejection, all right, if you clearly look at it right now, it may drop down a little bit here, which is, yeah. So I'm not going to neglect this area in this market right now. So if you want to buy, so Kenry, how can I follow this market up? Okay, there's every possibility that this market is going to drop here. So now that I've given you guys the big projection, so now we know we have to follow this market up. So, but how do we buy it? That's what I'm doing right now. So this is a low market. This is a high. Whenever market is going up, it will break previous ceiling to continue. So market broke this, all right, never came back, went up, okay, it still never came back. So there's a possibility that this market is going to come here, okay, to continue up. So we're going to watch out for that move on GBP AUD. But there's still another possibility, all right, if it doesn't get there right now, but I don't like it. I don't like this. So this is another high it created, which happens to be a previous floor. So our market touch that I closed. It may be moving right now. So I'm not doing anything on this trade right now because I'm stuck. I cannot buy it because that's already bought. I started buying. So I would love to buy. The only time I would love to buy EA right now is let it come here, I'll buy. Okay. That's my bigger option of a buy. If not, I'm going to wait for it to break this area. Okay. So there are some shortcomings in this trade. It's creating a systematic trap. So if the market tests here, it's going to come down here. That's another way to trade intraday. Okay. So I'm giving you guys the different ways to approach this trade. But my project for this trade is to buy. Okay. Which means my biggest potential lies in here to buy. But if it's dragging, if it retests this thing right now, I can follow it down here for big potential to buy. So that is the way I can trade this, but it has not done. It didn't touch yet. The moment it broke, it has not come yet. So you guys watch out for this move on EA. So does this make sense? So these are the different, if it makes sense, put sense in the chat. So I need you to be watching. This doesn't stop, but Symbol, did you get this right now? Did you get this different? Looking at this right now, you see the projection of the market. You saw it different, right? Beautiful. So let's follow this market up, but for us to get it up, we're going to be looking at here. I'm going to drop an alarm there so that that's my major EA alert. Bye. I'm not going to, I won't stay in the market to watch this, but for those of you that are watching, if the market comes here and closes the second, you can get in. All right, you can alert yourself and get in. Any question on this one? Is this one clear? Ailey, what's your pair? Or you're the one who is hiding in the crowd, taking people's trades? Ailey, what's your pair? UCAD, okay, USD card. You are Martins. Where is Martins? I need someone to reach out to Martins. Okay. So everybody got this, right? There's an immediate trade coming from this right now. It's going to be very immediate. May happen tonight, but I won't be looking at that. Okay. The 4 hour just broke this floor right now. It may come down here, or the 4 hour just retested and 4 hour is closing. So in 36 minutes floor, if this 4 hour closes on a grain, that is a break and a retest on this chubby area. But I don't like it. Okay. I'll wait. I'm going to be a patient person. So is this clear? Any question on the two analyses I've done? My last analysis is going to be, no, well, it's not going to be my last analysis. So I've done USD JPY, I've done GBP AUD, I've done Euro AUD. Okay. GJ, well, GJ did not pay me because I was busy, so he didn't pay me. This was what I gave you guys. I'm going to be excited seeing what you're seeing right now. How many pips? So I gave you guys, this was 50%. I told you that when this market, just like I gave you guys, was it EA? I just told you that it's going to, the moment it kills this liquidity, the next thing is it takes the next floor. And I told you guys that this market, this is where I'm going to buy it. And I thought when I did this analysis, market hasn't broken this area. Market was consolidating here when I did this analysis. Couple of hours later, I never dreamt that JPY was going to drop 400 pips. I never dropped. What is 400? 700 pips in a day. That never happened in 2 years. I guess so. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Nice. Nobody would dream of this, that JPY in a day would drop. In a day, okay, no, that's not a day. In less than 2 days, no, it's in a day for us. The market just kept. This was Wednesday, 06, December 20. Yeah, 6th. And this is 7th. Okay, next day. Market kept bleeding. And I was busy. I would have just set buy order. If I knew it was going to come very close, because I told you guys here I can put a pending order, did I? But one of the dangerous things is why I don't like pending order was this. This would have taken you out. So it was even better I did not take this trade than if I had taken it, it took me out. And I'm waking up the next day to see that it has moved this move. I'll be frustrated. So it was even better I did not take it because this is more than 100 pips. Okay, and there's no way I'll take this. No, there's no way I'll take this trade and I'll give it 200 pips. No. Okay, So this was a liquidity hunt. It pushed everybody out. Nobody would have seen this coming. But what is the most important thing I've told you guys about this is, so let's say you watched it hit and it closed the 1 hour. Can you see the signal here? Would you have been good if you took this 1 hour buy? Okay. And your stop loss is going to be stay good. This will still have been good. This wouldn't have taken you out. It's a good market. All right. That's so when I'm giving you guys projection, pay attention. I mean, you may not understand the power of what I'm showing you right now, but when you really want to make good money from this market, pay attention to what I'm showing you. It's not about what you just want every day. It's where is the market going? Where is it coming from? And I'm showing you through my analysis. So the next sell for me, I already did GJ. That's why I'm not going to waste time on GJ. I just wanted you to see, just like I've showed you in each analysis where the market is going. GJ came to that analysis. I never knew it was going to be that speedy. So this is the next place I'm going to sell. This is a concept. Next concept on GBP JPY. Okay, is here. The next price action is here. Okay, and another concept is here. So that may happen on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we'll get a trade on GJ. The way it's looking. Okay. And if it wants to continue, this is still the next place the market is going to continue. It has broken, it consolidated around here. Okay, the market needs to come here for a major move on the upside. So this is what I'm going to buy. So let me take this off here so it doesn't disturb us. All right. So this is what I'm going to buy. GJ. After this, I can ask you guys questions. Or if you still want me to look at anything, you can let me know. Okay, so this is the move that I'll take it to wherever we're looking out for. Okay, this is my next buy. Hey, Kenry, can I buy here? Yes, it's going to buy, but that's not my buy. Okay, but that's a major area that's broken. If it retest it, okay, I have a feeling that liquidity will bring price. Market is going to come back to this floor for a major move. Okay, I just have a feeling, and you guys know when I have a feeling, I don't like to ignore the feeling. Okay. Is this clear? Anything I don't send, just remind me, I'm going to send it. So this is GJ charts. Okay. I'm not doing EU. EU has become too poor for my liking. I rather replace EU with EA. Where is EA? EA is rich. So let me upgrade EA. EA has been upgraded. So Simbo is looking at EA right now. So, and Simbo is making withdrawals. I rather stay with the guy that is making withdrawals to be watching my trade. Does that make sense? Makes sense, right? That's trading politics. I've upgraded. So EU is downgraded because I've not seen you guys make withdrawals on EU. But Simbo is making withdrawals on EA. So he's now my AD on EA. Okay, he's my ADC, so he's watching it for me. So I can trust it. Just if you say go ahead, I'll trust. I'll just go while I'm driving. I'll just take the cell, put the lot size, and I'm driving. I'm still talking. I'm not looking at it because he has the result. All right, does that make sense? So how many of you want to be that type of person for me? Okay, so when you say, "Hey, go take this trade," I will just go put lot size. I don't have to think. How many of you want to be that? So, have you guys enjoyed this session? So that's about that. UCAD. Eli, you want me to look at UCAD? And I'll tell you guys not the secret. I'll tell you what you should do to hone your currency pair. You can't be everywhere master trading. You can't be everywhere. In fact, I'm missing out a lot of opportunities because I'm doing this with you guys. You guys are not making me focus on my married pair, my GJ. Okay, because I'm looking at a lot of things for you guys and I'm missing out. Okay, so okay, I have Mr. Alex here. It's been a while, Mr. Alex. How you doing?
Not bad, coach. Not bad, coach. Apologies, I was late today. I thought it was 9:30. That's what I saw. I thought it was 9:30, but glad to be here, coach.
Yeah, glad. So just like Alex, if Alex tells me you trade EJ, okay. If he tells me I don't trade EJ, but if Alex tells me, oh, there's a trade right now on EJ, I'll just 2% risk. I just go jump on it. Okay. They have the result. They've been making, Alex has been making. I saw your narrative, your
Yeah,
testimony.
it was a,
You had
it was a,
you had a rough time and you recovered. Was that it?
yeah, it was a beautiful session today because
Oh, that
the
was today.
EJ that was today. Yeah, EJ and the yen pairs. I like to trade them a lot, but it's due to correlation. So I know you just said about the sell off. There was a big sell off last week, but I think on Friday I noticed there was a consolidation. Market wasn't going to move any lower, and it wasn't going to get any higher. So I waited patiently for that Friday move, and then I think last night Sunday I took some trades. Obviously, I don't like trading on Sundays, but something told me the market is going to rally. So I took some
Yeah.
positions last night on GJ and EJ, and I think UJ. And yeah, it
Mm.
paid out well. And I was also looking at gold because I knew gold was gonna for the seller. So I waited for that price action break, and then yeah, it's about patience, and it paid out well. So
Paid out.
uh,
You see that? Are you guys hearing it? It paid out well. How many thousands?
uh, few thousand.
Few thousands. Paid out well. Are you guys hearing? So this is as a result of what we're doing every day. Just stay on your pair. He loves the JPY pair, so he has married GJ, EJ, and UJ. Okay, they move the same way, which means if you get it right, you get paid well, right? And if you get it wrong, you get to lose the risk you give to it
Yeah.
well. Okay. And it's been a privilege really helping you on this journey to understand the market. And I'm super excited today. Okay, you can come here and give me a trade and I can take. All right, super
Thank you,
excited
coach.
about that. Congratulations. How many of you want to have your withdrawal months? Okay, put me on the chat. You want to start having your withdrawal month? Okay, I'm just going to give you guys this piece of advice. Okay, put me on the chat. You want to start having your withdrawal months? So many of you don't treat trading as a trader. You treat trading as a gambler. Trading is a skill. It's a profession. Okay. And in every profession, something is needed, interest. You need interest, and every interest requires time. Okay. Every interest also requires input. You're going to invest. You need money to invest. It is very, very important. Okay. If you don't have enough, there are approaches, which I'm going to be doing a lot during this event. Okay. And during the course, many of you are stuck. You're not stuck because you don't have the interest. You're stuck because you don't have what to power the interest. I get it. But you're also doing the wrong thing by taking action the wrong way. Many of you are asking for account. That's not what you need. Some of you are funding account and you've not mastered the skill. You're a gambler. I mean, if you want to stop, you really want to stop gambling. I mean, if you know you are gambling in trading right now, if you know you're gambling in trading, put say I do. It's not bad. Okay. Let me know. Let me tell you how you should know you're gambling. Okay. When you take a trade, you're not confident that it's going to go to TP. Okay. And you're scared that it's going to hit your stop loss. How many of you feel that feeling? So put 5. So, I would always show you the meaning of the words that I say. Put 5. You're not confident of your TP and you're scared of your stop loss. That is how you know you're gambling. Okay. Now, there's a stage in learning that is gambling. So it's normal. So it doesn't make you a bad person. So Gambling in trading doesn't make you a bad person, but you perfect it over time. Just that what a lot of people don't realize is they don't give themselves time to perfect it. And it's going to be hard for you to perfect it on your own. Okay. So this is what you want to do. Learn the skill of losing money. Many of you don't know how to lose. So for you to eliminate your fear, you have to start losing. But that's the only solution. Okay, you see Mr. Alex here that just spoke with you guys? He has had some bad times in trading. He has had some, he has blown accounts. Even before he met me, he blew a lot of, he's lost a lot of money in trading. And when he met me, he wasn't getting it right when he was still losing a lot of money. But eventually just figured out that, okay, come on, this guy is consistent with what he's saying. Let me just stay here. Let me do this the way he's saying it. And he mastered, and even when he mastered it, he still risk. Many of you are scared of risking. Okay, go look at Alex trade. Go look at his trade. Even me, I can't trade the way he's trading. Not because I'm scared, but I'm not built that way. He's risking. You see some good amount of lot. Some of you will be on a mini and you are looking at the trade. You are watching your trade. You turn watchman and you're on a mini. How can you trade that at then? You are trading a mini and you are looking at your trade. Oh, should I leave? This profit I'm seeing. Let me just collect it now. How many of you are like that? Put one. Okay, if I'm talking to you right now, how can you trade? How can you run a trade for $3,000? See, I'm a victim of what I'm telling you. So this is what I'm gonna say. Okay, I'm going on a repentance mode. It's taking me time, but I'm repenting. And I know the reason I need to repent. So you guys should take it like this. They say if the eagle fellowship with the chicken long enough, it's gonna start behaving like a chicken. True or true? So I'm not saying you guys are chicken, but I used to be. I've missed a lot about me in trading because of you guys, and because you're part of me. I have to be you to lead you to where I'm going. But sometimes now I'm thinking of leaving you so that you can see me fly, and I'll tell you, fly like me. All right? Because I can't carry you to fly. I've been doing it for I think I gave myself a year to do it, but I'm seeing those that I left to fly, they are flying well right now. The moment I gave you guys accountability, I knew I can get you guys to fly. Okay, so now I've given you guys what to fly. Some of you are flying more than me right now. So I'm the one who's not following you to fly. So I need to learn to now fly. I've taught you how to fly. Okay, I may have lost my fly mode. So I need to gain my fly mode back. That's what we're going to do in 2024. How many of you are ready for 2024? We're going to fly. Okay, we're going to fly. Put fly on the chat if you're ready to fly. So money is not going to be a problem because we got something to give us money. So all you just need to do is package yourself. Okay, if it's the evaluation you want to start with, get an evaluation, follow instruction. Okay, don't over leverage it. If it takes you 1 month, 2 months to build it, what you just need is an account. Okay, now that's the hardest way, but there are easier way, which I'm also going to be sharing with you. But just for you guys that are so focused on trading, it requires time, it requires risk. If you lose the account you're trading with right now, what becomes of you? You have to think about that. So, and that the solution to that question is your reality. That's your change. If you can answer that question, okay. Just a question out there. If you lose your next 3 accounts, what becomes of you? I need everybody's answer. Look at the first word Ailey picked. Okay. I need everybody's answer. Just be honest with me. I am your coach. Okay. You cannot lie to me. If you lie to me, you're like, even if you lie to me, you can't lie to yourself. So don't lie to yourself. If you lose your next 3 accounts, and you know what? This beats some of you because you don't have the next 3 accounts. So if you lose your account right now, so let's say you got another one and you lost it. Let's say you got another one and you lost it. What's going to become of you? How are you going to feel? Are you going to feel like trading? Whatever you're feeling right now, if the answer is you're going to be a little shaky and devastated, it means you didn't know what you came in here for. It means someone have taught you wrong. It means someone have brainwashed and deceived you. Because guess what? I promise you, be excited about what I want to tell you right now. You're going to lose the next 3 accounts. Kenry, why did he say that? Do you guys like what I said? I don't know if you didn't like what I said. Be honest. You didn't like what I just said right now. You got scared. I just scared you right now. Who's scared? It's okay. I'll tell you why I said what I said. I'm about to talk to your spirit. Okay? I'm about to get you angry positively. This is no motivation. I just want to get you angry. If you're scared of losing your account, I promise you, okay? If you're scared of losing an account, I promise you, I'm not gaming. I'm not praying. You're gonna lose the account. I promise you. You're scared of losing your account. I promise you, you're gonna lose that account. I mean, if you not get what I'm trying to say, you're not gonna lose the account because you don't know how to trade. You're not gonna lose the account because we're not gonna give you good trade. You're gonna lose the account because you're scared and you don't have it. So you're gonna lose it because you don't have it. Am I making sense? What sense? So if you have fear, I give you the permission to ask the right question. How can I deal with my fear? It has nothing to do with trading. It has nothing to do with joining the session. Just have everything to do with being skillful and creative. I shared it. Okay. If you're not making money, it means you're not skillful and creative. If you left that session and you did not message me and you asked me, oh, Kendrick, the word you said hit me. How can I be skillful and creative? You're not taking care of yourself. You're not doing the right thing. So none of these, take care of that. You're never going to do well in trading. I promise you. So the question will be, how can I be skillful and creative to be able to eliminate my fear? All right. And those are part of things I'm going to help you with. The few of you that are going to get exposed to me within the one-time mentorship, do all your best to ask the right question because it's just 1 month. Don't look for something else except getting rid of your fear of losing money. And the only way to get rid of the fear of losing money is to be skillful and creative, making a little bit of money consistently. Am I correct? Do you agree with me? Put 100. Okay. If you always have money to buy an evaluation, you always have money to buy a funded account, all right, you're not going to be scared of losing the one you're trading with right now. But if you don't have it, if you always have to borrow it, guess what? You're going to be scared. And if you're scared, that's why you lose it. Okay. So these are things that have nothing to do with trading, but I'm just going to try my best to help you for those of you that are willing. But for those of you that are, you just want to learn how to trade and make money with fear. Okay. I'm going to teach you the skill, but I'm not part of what your outcome will be. Just know. So you won't say you learned trading from Cambridge. You became disobedient because I told you before we started that if you're scared of losing money, you're going to lose. Am I a good mentor? So none of you, I will not be a product of your disappointment tomorrow. So I'm telling you aloud, I'm scaring you today so that you know you get ready and hungry before we even start the course. Okay? So for everyone, I'm not even just talking to those that are outside, even those of you that are you are in the environment. If you're scared, I'm not your problem. The market is not neither. The market is your problem. If you're scared, you're going to be the fruit of fear. Okay, is fear. If you sow fear, you would reap fear. You cannot sow fear and reap joy. Am I saying the truth? Is there a way? You cannot be trading every day and you're scared. You're always leaving trades and you're just going to hit $10,000. Look at what happens. Go look at your history. Those trades you leave, they eventually play out very beautifully well. They would have made you thousands of dollars. But your fear is a seed. Your fear would let you leave the trade so that you don't make thousands of dollars. You are not programmed to make thousands of dollars. That's why your fear takes you out. Okay? See, I'm not telling you anything out of motivation. I'm telling you what has happened to me. Several times I get angry. I will be very busy in the whole day. Nothing has happened though. I'm not looking at the chart. But the moment I carry the market, the time I decided to carry the market, that's why I see the trade is blazing and it's going on, man. And I'm seeing the next thing I will just go and see Omen's Rick. I think this is this is a floor. It's getting to the next floor. Let me just take this profit right now. And next thing, okay, I'll just this is a couple of. I think I like this money. Let me just take this money. After I'm busy, okay, I'll find another trade. Okay, and I leave. I come back 2 days later, I would have gotten times 4 or 5 of that trade. And that was the initial reason I got in on the trade. Why didn't I get busy 2 days later? Nothing disturbed me. I did not come to check the market. And guess what? It doesn't happen for stop loss. So it will never remind me of stop loss. But it will remind me of living a profit. Because why? I have trained my mind to see a certain level of profitability. And whenever that profitability gets close, every attention of the universe brings me to the market. The universe calls me to my market. Because that is it has become, I've consistently programmed myself to see that profitability as a standard. Oh, somehow. My son can just even bring a phone. I'll just be busy. Okay, let me just look. Why is it that time I'll look? I will not see that's today how powerful your thoughts, your programming is. So what I'm telling you guys right now, okay, just take it as a free course, a free class of telling you guys the truth. Many traders may not tell you this, okay, but we are product of the function of our mind. That's what I taught you this morning. Okay, and if you play with it, it will haunt you till you get it. You get right to get it right. Okay, you can never get it right to get right. And even if you get it right and you are not right, what's going to happen? You're going to lose it. So the first thing you do for yourself is get right. And that's what I do with you. That's why I say what you're paying for it's priceless, but I'm just giving you access. So make do of it. Ask the right question. Take our time. Ask the question you're supposed to ask. So I've told you guys now. So for all of you that will still be asking questions related to I need accounts, just know that you're disobedient. You're not interested in your success. Okay. And I just told you guys a very, very powerful. So any question for me right now? I think that's about our time. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to find time. I know within this week, I told you guys, I promised you guys I was going to show you guys. I gave you an instruction to invest, okay? And I want to show you how to invest. It's a busy week. I'm not even supposed to be doing calls, but I'm bridging out something. I found out that many of you now know, how many of you now know the value of this event more than you knew it? Put 20 on the chat. Since you've been having this time with me, you've seen the value of the event. Put 20. Okay, that's one of the things I learned in the course that I just attended. We assume people just know things and they pay attention. No, the world is too busy, they don't. All right. So what I did is I brought you into my environment to see what you are going to be experiencing. Okay. So there's a part of you that you know that this is value. I need this. So I don't need to tell you, you already got the value for the event. Am I correct? Okay. For those of you that paid, have you gotten the value already? Does the cost need to start before you know that this is going to change my life? But if I didn't prepare you before the course, some of you are just going to come expecting. So what this time out with you did is set your expectation right. Am I correct? So you don't come in the course looking to, oh, I need a trading account. Oh, my 2024 is settled. I've set the expectation right. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm spending more time intentionally with you so that you can reprogram yourself rightly with me. You can be on the journey with me and not be alone. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. So this is what we do. We trade and we talk and we have a nice time. Okay. You guys enjoyed yourself in the morning. Now you're enjoying yourself again. How many of you are new here and you can agree with what I've said so far? You're new. Okay. You got into my environment new, and what I've shared so far during the course of the call, aside even the trading, you agree with it 100%. Put 100 on the chat. Anele Lunga, you want to say something to me? Is that an outlaw mic? Is your mic outlaw? You're not in control of the mic, or okay? So beautiful. I'm excited that you guys are aligning, okay, with this environment more the way you should. Okay, I wish I could have done this earlier. I would have known what I know right now earlier. Okay, I believe it would have helped a lot of traders get established. But that's what we're gonna do in 2024. I think it's my son. All right. So, any questions so far? Now, I don't leave a call. Thank you. I don't leave a call without hearing one or two people tell me what resonated with them during the call. Okay. So who's going to be that person? Raise your hand. Let me take two people. With the things I shared, with the value I gave tonight, okay, what was the value? What value did you get? Just raise your hand. Bring you on. Or you can bring yourself on if you have the boldness. You guys have to make this a function of your mind. Okay. I'm not gonna say anything again. All right. If you want to share something, what resonated with you on this call? What value did you get on the call? Okay, just share. A small, nothing is small when gratitude is added to it. Okay, Mr. Alex, go ahead.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, with me, what has resonated with me and as always is being able to appreciate what you guys have done here, the environment. It's always been said if you're in the right environment and you're not finding the goals that you want, then obviously you need to realign yourself because the vehicle is there. So Parrot Nation is a vehicle, guys. You've got the resources with Kenvry, who's, I mean, when I came in, I was looking for a mentor, and a mentor is someone that you look and they've got proven results, it's documented, and then you could follow suit and not try to reinvent the wheel. That is what we had in Parrot Nation. So you have the opportunity, you have the vehicle. If it's not working out for you, it's a case of looking in deep down because sometimes you have to. I mean, if you like myself, that knew a bit of training, I had to unlearn to learn. If you're coming in here and you know nothing about trading, you're in a better position because all you've got to do is be coachable. Just listen to what is being done. Because sometimes, I mean, it's just like when you're in school. Sometimes you read a book, you listen to the teacher, you think you know more than the teacher, and you tend to do things your way. No, the will is there for a reason. The structure is there for a reason. Just try to be coachable like a kid and just follow that. And believe you me, you probably wouldn't make the mistakes I've made, and you'll see results come out much quicker. So all I want to say is that it's a God-given environment to have here. Sometimes it takes time. You gotta be patient. You've got to be patient. It's like You got to know what you want in life, and you found a vehicle. Anytime something goes wrong, just look at the end of the tunnel, and you could see, you know what? That's the end goal. It's not. I mean, what makes a person a man or woman? It's not how you've made it. It's how you've come back from your downfalls, from your obstacles, right? Anyone that's made it today, you're probably looking at the end result. But if they tell you the story, it's just like Henry. There was a time he was, because I've known Henry for a while, but there's a time he was coaching for 9 months, not making money himself, right? But still coaching others to make money. But he still had that vision to keep going. And that's brought us to this place. So we have a beautiful environment here. It might take time, but stay coachable, stay focused, and just never lose that fire. Just keep telling yourself every time you go to bed, this is what I want to do. It will come to fruition. Believe you me, guys. So time is the only constant thing. It will take time, but it will happen. But if you're in the right environment with Kemvry, the time is limited because he will get you there. That's my take.
Thank you very much for that powerful one. Yeah, that's a blessing to a lot of you. You know, sometimes you guys, a lot of you need encouragement. Okay, that's a strong encouragement for you. It takes time, but it is worth it because it has taken time all of your life to get rich. Some of you, it will take you time. It will take some people. It takes time to the grave. They never get rich. Okay, so if you say, "Oh, let me just focus. Let me not focus on what it is not happening. Let me focus on what is happening." Ah, every time I'm thinking of this app, I feel like leaping out of my mouth to share something, but I already promised myself that I was going to share it in there. Don't miss out on this event and get as many people as you can. Okay. I want to tell you why. It's easy to tell you why you're poor, or it's easy to tell someone why they're poor, they lack money, but it's not as powerful as when you can show them how poverty existed and what is poverty. I defined it to you guys today. It made sense, but that is not close to when you really know how it existed. It's gonna blow your mind. Okay, don't and when you can know how it existed, it can never exist in your life again, irrespective of where you are. You just know how you will beat yourself down. How come this small and this insignificant thing have been operating and dealing with me for years? Insignificant. You're gonna it's a mind shift. And I promise you guys, that mind shift, don't take it for granted. And that is why I'm leaving it for the event into the course. So don't miss out. If you think you got something from me already, I know I've shared so much value. If you guys go back to the mentorship session, just rewatch those videos, even the last videos I've done over the last couple of weeks, your mind will be reshaped. It's one of the things I would advise, take out a weekend in between now and 2024. And what you just want to do is do what we call word study or mentor study. Okay, study my videos intentionally with the function of your mind that, you know what, I want to study the training, the words that I've been exposed to over the course of the month. Take these videos and eat them. Stay on them. Something will happen to you. Okay, this is one of the things we do in the spirit. This is one of the instructions. But I'm telling you, educationally right now, in mentorship right now, stay on mentors. I've done it. Okay, for every time we want to close out on the year, there are certain things that I do, and I may not do it for myself, but I'm getting you to do it for yourself right now. Okay, that's why I give you guys that instruction. All of the mentorship calls that we've had Sunday nights, collate them and begin to tell yourself a day you want to start watching them and make sure you finish the task you give to yourself between now and the end of the year. Something is going to happen. You're going to be something different. And I'll tell you, the most powerful ones that you're going to see are the ones, they are the first ones that some of you didn't meet. Okay, most of you didn't meet those calls, but you have access to them. All right. And if you're not following me on my YouTube, follow me on my YouTube. There's a playlist that I have. It's a podcast, Mind Shift. The videos that I stored there are for your mind. Okay, they are things that can help the function of your mind, and super excited that jump on that, ask questions. So now that you're in my environment, you can kick in question at any time. Okay, but make sure when you're asking me questions, don't ask me questions of lack, because I'll be dealing with you seriously. Okay, don't ask me lack question. Don't tell me what you don't have, what you're suffering from, what is making you. Don't bring that to me. I don't have the energy to accommodate right now. I have so much I've given. Tell me how you want to take them. I'll be excited to show you. Eli, did you want to say something?
I actually wanted to say something before Mr.
I actually
Alex.
wanted to call you before, so now you can.
I just didn't want to come first because I feel like people have stuff to say too. You said something, you asked what was my takeout from today's call, and actually I have two takeouts from this morning's call and also tonight. This morning you were talking, you said a lot of things, but one thing that resonated with me was when you talked about gratitude, because you did some kind of giveaway to people on the call. They were not expecting it, and then somebody said they've gotten theirs, and then someone else said he hasn't gotten his. And you just mentioned something about gratitude and ingratitude at the same time. And also you actually inspired me to do a little, give back to society, no matter how little. And then this evening, you talked about, at the beginning of the call, you said you wanted to collect energy from us, but honestly, Coach, I feel like you're the one giving us energy, because I will be honest, I was feeling sleepy and I got on this call, and I don't think I'm going to sleep in the next hour. So I don't know how you do it, because you have a very huge event going on, and you have things and people and DMs and messages and probably traffic too, because this is later. I really don't know how you do it.
I just came out of sorry, I'm not cutting you. I just came out of almost a 3-hour traffic. Okay, I wasn't supposed to do this call, but there's something about me that is relentless. If my spirit said do something, it's not because of what I want to get. I'm a shepherd. Okay, I am in service. Hearts are connected. Futures are connected to what I am doing. That's how I treat it. I cannot sleep knowing that I was supposed to serve someone. Someone would have heard my voice today and it's going to reshape them. Just imagine everything you got on this call. If I made it is okay for me to make an excuse for tonight's call. Am I correct? I'm the boss. I'm the CEO. I could say, hey, team, you know what? I'm too tired. And you guys are going to just clearly understand, but then you guys don't know the spiritual side. I'll be depriving the gift, the supply that God has given me for today to give out. With divine benefits. And if you do not use it, it's gone. I cannot use today's benefits. I cannot do today's call tomorrow and to be the same. Are you guys getting me? Are you guys tracking? So I made sure everything that was in my mind, even while I was tired, I said, no, I'm doing this call because I felt in my spirit that there was something I needed to give out today. And that is why I also said something, and it was a programming of my mind. There's something I said when I came on this call, and you just mentioned it, but you didn't know I did it deliberately. Rather than say I am tired, I said I'm going to draw energy from this call. The way I'm feeling now and the way I came in, am I sounding the same? I am more energetic because I said I wanted to draw energy. I didn't say, oh, I could have thought, man, I'm tired right now. I'm going to do this call. You know what, guys? I'm just going to take it one time. I'm just going to do some analysis. Did I do that? No. Because I know it's a function of my mind. I have to tell you, I have to confess that I'll take energy. So if I am weak, what kind of confession am I supposed to confess? Should I confess that I am weak, or I should confess? He said, let the weak say I am strong. So what I did was, you know what? The moment I start talking to you guys, I'm going to draw up energy. That's my confession. It's a mind programming. And guess what? Guess how I look right now. I can do the next 3 hours right now, and I won't even know. Okay. And that's the same thing you experience right now, because energy is compatible. You can actually transfer. Okay, because I'm raising my energy, all of your energies are raising. And if I don't allow you guys leave me go, you guys will not leave me to leave. You wouldn't want me to leave this call. You just keep watching and I will keep talking. Because why? It's an energy, it's an environment. Okay, does that make sense?
So thank you, Coach. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. And I'm looking forward to seeing you with bigger energy, bigger results, every one of you. Okay, these things are real. I'm not just the one experiencing them. If you want to hear more people, there are more people that are going to tell you how just being in this environment has changed something about the way they see life. And if you can change the way you see life, life will change. Period. Okay. Many people have not gotten themselves to that place where they see life differently. You stay in my environment, you will see life differently. Just give yourself time. And if you see life differently, life will become different. And that is one of the things that I'm looking forward to celebrating with you. I want to see the better version of you. I want to see the bigger version of you. I want to celebrate your first $1,000 in profit. I want to celebrate your first $10,000 in profit. I would celebrate your first 6 figures. As long as you stay with me, it may take 1 year, it may take 2 years, it may take 3 years. Time allows us on this side of the earth. All right. I'll celebrate you as a 6-figure income earner and eventually celebrate you as a 7-figure income earner by the grace of God. Let's just work together. All right. Have a beautiful time. I'm going to see you guys. Tomorrow is giving time. If you are my partner and you know you are a successful person, partner with me in getting this message to more people. Invite as many people as you can to participate in our 2 p.m. call tomorrow. That's the only request that I have. If I'm giving you much gift to others, that is all I ask for you. Okay, invite as many people as you can, which means before you sleep, don't sleep until you send this message, the tomorrow's call, to 5 people. Okay. Hey, we're going to be having a powerful session with our coach and mentor tomorrow. You're going to understand how we make money in the market. Just like you guys, I mean, if you came in on this call and you now understand how we make money in the market. For those of you that are new, put 10 on the chat. Put 10 on the chat. Okay. And not only did you understand how to make money in the market, okay, you still had an opportunity to see clearly how you can learn this thing. And practically, you can really learn. All right. So let me leave you guys to sleep so that I can go sleep, drink water, and drop cup. Because the cup has been hanging. Okay. And I'm looking forward to seeing all of you during the event. Where I actually went was the hall. I went to the hall. We had to plan. So I'm planning for you. If I miss you, you will miss something. I'm really planning for you. It's going to be a beautiful experience, not just the training. We're going to have a nice time. So I don't want to plan ahead. That's what I'm doing on my best. You're in this environment and you're in Lagos, you can come. You're in Nigeria, you can come. Don't miss this event for nothing. Okay, since I can tell you to be the best event, you're going to experience the best moment. Okay, so don't miss out because we are doing everything to give you a wonderful experience that will change everything for you.